Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my video. Today we are playing Southwest Florida roleplay. So guys, I'm going to start the roleplay in like 1 minute. Before that, please guys like and subscribe. Like and subscribe if you like cars or bikes. Now let's start the rip. Guys, I was scrolling through my phone and I feel like buying another supercar. I'm thinking, bro, he just brought a Porsche 911 Carrera. Now he wants to buy another supercar. About that, yes. Let's go, bro. Who needs lift? Jump! Don't jump in real life, huh? I was joking, huh? Don't jump in real life. If you jump in a real life, you go in heaven. Yeah. Okay, now let's enter in my Porsche. Guys, increase your volume and listen this noise. Oh yo, bro. Little rev test. Wait, first let the car breathe. Okay, now let's rev. Rev test. Guys, now let's go to the dealership. You are thinking why we are going at night? Because it will be a long journey. Lights are on. Guys, I think why I'm taking it that fast because I'm scared of this road because it's like scary. If someone hits me, I'll cry in my pants. So I don't know what I do. Oh, and I'll crash. Okay. Pew, nothing happened to the car. But we will check in the garage. Guys, everybody like, oh, who is that guy with the loud exhaust? Definition. Let's see the video. Because it's hard to control. car sound is very loud. I don't know my voice is coming properly. That's why I'm parking. Okay, guys. If you don't know what did I say, the McLaren, that's a McLaren P1 in the purple color. Yep, that was a McLaren P1. It comes in hypercar. Bro, the officer should close his face. The sound coming. But I think I came in the wrong time, man. Forget it. But guys, can you hear my voice if I like stay there? I don't think so, man. So what should I do? Should I wait in the car? But, oh, I could just see around outside. Guys, this is a McLaren, I think. A Lamborghini. Yep, this is a McLaren. There are so many McLaren outside, man. Some Honda Civic, I think. Nah. Guys, let me see my phone. It's Sunday and there will be so much crowd. Guys, let me look around because I think this showroom might have my supercar. Guys, done looking. I think they have my supercar, so I'm going to sign the papers without reading. So I'll be soon enough. Guys, I'm so happy because I brought the supercar. I'm not going to reveal the name just yet. And you can see I am broke now. Not technically broke. I have $205,000. I mean, it's not brokey amount. It's nice amount. I was having like 475k. Now I'm down to 205k. I know, guys. I know. Forget it. Just let's go. Let's party. But it damaged my account so badly. You could say. I was having 475k. Now 205k. Was it worth it? I'm so shocked that I thought I will be having like 296k like this, but 205k, bro. I was having 475k, now 205k. Forget it, let's go. Guys, let's hear the engine. Wait. Okay, perfect. Oh, yo, bro, I feel so good now. Guys, now let's back it up. Bro, the cop car is gone, bro. I could show you around the dealership. Guys, I could show you around the dealership and show you the cars they have. Bro, right now, you serious? Bro, I'm so mad right now. I could smash my phone. Forget it, let's go. Guys, it will take a long time. Let's keep the path. Yep, let's keep the path. Guys, we are finally here. I know it's morning right now. It took that much long, I know. The dealership is far away from my apartment, I know. Now let's go in my apartment because it will take a long time to deliver my car, aka supercar. Bro, I'll be having two supercar, a Porsche 911 Carrera, and I will not reveal the name. You thought I will? Nah. I'm so excited that I will have two new supercars. Wow. Means I be like, oh, my neighbor. is going because he has the shift now. Guys, I'm so excited because I'll be having two supercars. Miss I said that I'll drive this or free car, but if my one supercar is damaged, I could drive the another supercar. Means I be like, I don't want to drive Porsche. I will drive this supercar like this. So guys, we need to wait for the message or phone call of the delivery truck. Till then, let's just chill. Let's watch some YouTube. Bro. Nah. Is that the truck driver? Or my neighbor? Oh, my neighbor's police car. It's same like a truck. Guys, I think they could go undercover as a truck driver to catch a criminal, I guess. Guys, wait, I'm getting a call from this dealership. So let me just... Guys, sorry for cutting that part because the phone number had the name of the car brand. So they said the car will be delivered here soon. So I'm going down. Yeah, one. Okay, guys. Now let's go. Guys, let's sit in my Porsche till then. Oh guys, I think my truck driver has come because that message had come. Nah, I don't think so. Guys, let's sit in my Porsche. I don't have the keys. Bro. It's fine. I'm not going up because what if the truck driver came and finding me? What if he takes the car back? That's why no. Guys, I think my my supercar truck has come. So I'm going to cut the part. Guys, I've closed my eyes. He parked the car and the keys are in my pocket. So guys, let's reveal the supercar in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, it's a McLaren 600 LT. But I'm not going to show you details of the car. Let's just rev the car and go. Okay, it's my first time in a McLaren. Let's start the car. Different than my Porsche. My Porsche is loud. Guys, let the car breathe. Now let's rev. Guys, did you saw that? It can pop just like this. See, there is a little bit of fire coming. It's not a clear pop, but if I upgrade and tune this car, the pop will be clear. Now guys, let's back it up and take it on a drive. Gear up. Guys, let's see how many gears they have. 7 gears. My Porsche also have the 7 gears. Let's take the car. Guys, it is going to be too loud, so I'm not going to talk. Anything happened to my Porsche? Nothing. Pew, thank God. But we will take it to the dealership and check anything happened to my Porsche. Bro, why I'm saying Porsche? It's a McLaren 600 LT. You saw the speed. It goes like 180. My Porsche speed is like 177 or 175, like this. I know its top speed is higher than that, but I'm not going to check because I was almost going to crash and I did, but nothing happened to car. I don't know why. Oh guys, I remember there is a cover, means you have to remove it. I didn't remove it and I just sit. Because of that my car is fine. Pew, thank God. Okay, so guys, let's talk about the things, the how much the car horsepower is. I didn't saw the horsepower, I just signed it. Who cares, bro? I signed it. Okay, the car price is, should I say it, 266k. I know 266k, bro. It's expensive, IK. And about that, in my next video I'll be changing the Porsche tune. I will tune it and change the color. And in the McLaren 2, McLaren 600 LT. And guys, you can see the exhaust, bro. It's coming like here up. And I'm scared. What if it rains in the southwest Florida? The water will go in the exhaust, because like from air the rain will come like this and boom, little bit of water will go, but it's fine. What if the car doesn't work? Bro, I'll be crying, man. The car is like a little bit this what we could say, its volume is low when it starts. When you rev it, and bro, how you know how speed is that? Let's see the blinkers. Bro, there is the blinkers are here too, bro. Guys, you can see there is carbon fiber, bro. The carbon fiber is on the back. Now let's stop the blinkers. Lights. Where are the lights, man? Lights are auto. Okay. Okay. See lights. There is a dot, and that's the light. Let's put the lights to auto. I love this car because the pops are so nice. See, there will be 5 pops. So guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Like and subscribe if you love cars or bike. Till then, I'll see you later. Peace out.